Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
So when you're at that point, when you're ready to launch the rocket, you're ready to install the motor, you're probably wondering how you're going to restrain the motor. On the back of all the 29mm motors, they have a lip that when you stick the rocket motor into the tube, it prevents it from going forward. That's the main thing. So the thrust ring is on the back end of the rocket. So you can have a really long rocket motor, stick it in there, and you don't have to have an engine block. So if you're looking for an engine block, there is no engine block anymore. On 29mm motors and bigger, all the thrust rings are on the back of the engine itself. So to hold the rocket motor in, you'll just push it in as far as it'll go. Then you're going to take some strips of masking tape, and since the tube extends past the centering ring, you can wrap tape around the motor. And I do it in kind of strips so that I make sure that I got it nice and even so it's not on a diagonal. You'll just wrap it around like that, and then any of the tape that sticks over, just kind of press it down, and that locks it even better to keep it from coming out. So it's not coming out because you're using the shear strength of the tape, which is really high. It's even higher than the tear resistance. So it's not coming out. And basically that's all you need to do to restrain the motor in the rocket. So at this point you can put in your parachutes and get ready to launch.